And we begin tonight with news from the state capitol. Dozens of Texans testified today on Senate Bill 39. It reforms collision lawsuits involving commercial truck drivers. SB 39 is a priority bill for Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick. And still, some families worry about what could happen if it passes, including a teacher who was hurt in a deadly bus crash last year. Today, KVUE's Isabella Basco spoke with that teacher and dug deeper into SB 39.
In March 2024, Victoria Limon and her daughter were on a Hayes CISD school bus carrying pre-K students when a concrete pumper truck swerved into their lane head-on, causing a crash. One student on board the bus and the driver of a different vehicle died.
I remember their faces that day, and their faces crying, bloody. You can never unhear the fact that those kids were so scared. They were just crying for their moms.
Limon fractured her back in 4 places. Court documents reveal the driver of the truck, 42-year-old Jerry Hernandez, admitted to using drugs the night before and the morning of the crash, plus being sleep deprived. Court documents also reveal the company that operates the truck Hernandez was driving didn't finish a full background check on him.
Because of all those actions from the trucking company on that day, those are all relevant to what contributed to that accident.
Now Limon is testifying against Senate Bill 39, which reforms collision lawsuits involving commercial truck drivers. When it comes to proving who is at fault for the crash, the bill would only allow evidence related to that to be admitted during the trial's first phase. Senator Brian Birdwell is the bill's author.
The admission rule puts plaintiffs and defendants on an even footing to present their case, helping reduce trial times and alleviate congestion in court so that legitimate lawsuits can move forward quickly in a fair and responsible manner.
But Where Wendell with Texas Watch, a nonprofit, says there's a real safety problem when it comes to the trucking industry.
We need safety reforms. We don't need to have Texas families' legal rights taken from them.
For Limon, she's taking the scars from her past to avoid repeating history.
I want the laws to be more clear about protecting the victims.
Lawmakers left SB 39 pending in committee. They'll need to vote later to advance the bill so the full Senate can vote on it. Reporting in Austin, Isabella Basco for KVUE News.